Is Instagram sleep mode turned on? Here's how to turn it off. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now tap the three horizontal lines in the top right. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find Time Spent or Time Management. Tap on it. Now look for Sleep Mode. Tap Sleep Mode. You'll see a toggle switch. Simply turn the switch off. And that's it. Sleep Mode is now disabled. If Instagram keeps activating Sleep Mode automatically, check if a schedule is set. You can remove or adjust the schedule from the same Sleep Mode section. Once turned off, Instagram will no longer silence notifications during those hours. That's how you turn off Sleep Mode on Instagram. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips.